Before you click buy on peteroliveira.com, you might want to pause for a moment because this trendy clothing store looks stylish on the surface, but raises several concerns once you dig deeper. peteroliveira.com offers men's and women's fashion, including sweaters, jackets, coats, and shirts, and the website presents modern seasonal collections that appear fashionable and appealing. However, customer feedback across review platforms paints a more complicated picture. The site holds a very low Trustpilot rating of around 1.4 stars, with numerous buyers claiming their orders never arrived or took months without proper tracking updates. Others report receiving items that looked very different from the product photos, with noticeably poor fabric quality and stitching. Some customers even allege that products advertised as cashmere or branded materials felt synthetic and cheap upon arrival. Another frequent complaint involves the return process, which many describe as confusing, slow, and expensive, sometimes requiring buyers to ship items overseas at their own cost. While a few customers mention receiving their orders eventually, the inconsistency in delivery times and product quality makes the overall shopping experience unpredictable. The website itself looks polished and professional, which can create an impression of reliability. Yet, the volume of negative buyer experiences suggests shoppers should proceed cautiously. If you are considering ordering, it may be wise to research thoroughly, review sizing and material details carefully, and weigh the risks before making a purchase.